मॉर्निंग। सो हमने सेकेंड डे का स्टार्ट कर लिया है। तो हमने डाला है राजमुंद्री। लेट्स सी हाउ द रूट कंडीशंस एंड टाइमिंग बिकम्स। तो वहाँ से अदरवाइज राजमुंद्री से ट्राई करेंगे विजयवाड़ा की, बट अभी तो ड्यूरेशन काफ़ी दिखा रहा है विजयवाड़ा के लिए। तो फिलहाल राजमुंद्री ही डाला है हमने, और देखा जाएगा। बट गुड फर्स्ट डे स्टे। अच्छा था वो NOCCI बिजनेस पार्क को की जगह था, जैसे किसी पार्क के अंदर हो रहा हो। होटल
They're expanding.
फर्दर एक्सपेंडिंग, बट हम पता नहीं कब
Overall
आएंगे।
food cleanliness.
Little on the costly side, but worth. So not an issue in that case. It is a really अपने टाइम जो हमने सोचा था उससे कुछ हाफ एन आवर निकलने के लिए हमने टारगेट दिया 4:45 जैसे निकल जाने का। 5:50 is when we have started. That's fine.
They're a bit opposite with any good roads.
But then thing is, I have memories of paying fine for over speeding in this NH16, so I will not try that much. We will see as much at least. If we can make it to Rajmundry, then tomorrow we will target to Bangalore. Okay. Capturing our observations and share it with you all.
Capturing your observations and experiences.
Experiences also. तो गाड़ी के अर्ली मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट रिफ्यूलिंग के बाद हम वापस NH16 पे हैं। NH16 से होटल की दूरी कुछ खास नहीं थी, ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 किलोमीटर, और इट वॉजंट मच ऑफ अ डिस्टेंस टू एंटर द NH16। And if you ask about the state of the road, it's not bad, it's not great. So you can understand it's in between because there are bumps.
Road is wide, but it's 6 lane, I think.
6 lane only. However, it is
It's a little bumpy.
bumpy. There, all of a sudden there is a ditch which has to be looked into. Fair enough. It's early morning time. Let's see how it continues to be. So it didn't take much longer दिन के पहले टोल के लिए। और एक और अनोखा सा टोल, you will not realize if it has come also or not. All of a sudden it is there with not so hi-fi
I think
buildings
it's still
around.
not done.
No, it's the old one only. It's the old one only, sorry. तो गाड़ी का रिफ्यूल हो गया, पहला टोल हो गया। अब देखते हैं आगे चल के कोई एक अच्छी सी दुकान मिल जाए तो सुबह सुबह की चाय, जैसे हमने तो कॉफ़ी पी ली है होटल में, बट बाहर की चाय का भी मज़ा होता है। Let's see, थोड़ी सी चाय बीते शाम सनसेट देखने के बाद आज रोड ट्रिप के दूसरे दिन का सनराइज़, और हम इसे बाद में कंपेयर कर सकते हैं हमारे ऑनवर्ड जर्नी के सनराइज़ के साथ में, बट इट फील्स नाइस। जहाँ तक रोड का सवाल है, नॉट दैट इम्प्रेस्ड एक्चुअली। रोड तो ठीक है, बट वे टू मेनी कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डाइवर्शंस, एंड देन यू हैव दोज broken potholes, quite a few due to diversions, too many speed breakers. जहाँ पे इस तरह का स्ट्रेस मिलता है तो you can cover it, otherwise आगे देखते हैं कैसा रहता है। Nice greenery on the other side of the road if you see, even in the divider, early morning time, full of freshness. Looks nice actually. बैंगलोर से कनेक्टेड हाईवेज की तरह हो जाता है, जहाँ पे कि सुबह सुबह आप चाय कॉफ़ी डोसा इडली की दुकान कोई कमी नहीं रहती है। इस हाईवे में भी दुकान है बट आइदर वो खुले हुए नहीं है या फिर रुकने के लायक नहीं है। तो अभी तक हम चाय के खोज में ही, अब हमें ऐसा लगता है कि एक ही बार रुक के ब्रेकफास्ट और चाय दोनों निकलेगा। देखते हैं आगे। दूसरे दिन का दूसरा टूर और जगह का नाम मुझे पता नहीं, नारायणपुर।
Narayanpur. Where did we say?
I saw somewhere on the board it was written Narayanpur in the city. No, something it was mentioned. I don't know. अभी खुजा सिमसिम बोल रहा है, खुजा सिमसिम, खुजा सिमसिम। Will it open only when we ये टोल कोड भी अच्छा था, पूजा वूजा कर देता है ये लोग गाड़ी का।
We never gave him. He was expecting.
He was expecting, did I ask for doing puja? Vehicle is dirty. In dirty vehicle, what puja? He just sprinkled some water and put some tikka. It should be washed, then he should do. जबरदस्ती का पूजा वो कर रहा है। हाँ? Look at this site on the either side of the road. Greenery. Divider is hiding. Yeah, see this. So nice it looks. Both the sides greenery. We are crossing Bhadra. In fact, we have crossed Bhadra,
Bhadrak we have crossed here.
and we are at a place called Sathipur. Sathipur, and greenery was very nice. We are in city of Barabati Stadium, Cuttack. Searching, I have hopes, high hopes. Sorry, I have high hopes with Cuttack to have some place of breakfast, some better place of breakfast where we can stop and have something for breakfast and tea, coffee. Meanwhile, now I have started feeling hungry also. तो एक वो जगह ढूंढने की तलाश है, पर कुछ उस तरह से पता नहीं। ब्रेकफास्ट जगह लिखे हुए हैं लेकिन खुले ही नहीं है, शायद ब्रेकफास्ट लोग लेट से करते हैं। पर तलाश जारी है, देखते हैं कितनी दूर। और इस हाईवे में आने के बाद सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ ये है, the speed allowed is 80 kilometers and they have so many speed cameras, so you will have to be very mindful. This is observation also now and part of experience also, because first time when I had done Bangalore to native, at that time around
Bangalore to Ranchi.
yeah. When we were returning from Ranchi in Keonjhar area, basically we stopped for breakfast. The guy in fact told us that there are so many cameras, and we tried also to keep the speed under check, but I had one challan. After reaching Bangalore, I had got that challan coming in. Thing is, the road काफ़ी अच्छी है. I mean, proper 6-lane road, as you could see. And you will not realize when you are above 80, because the road calls for it. I mean, at least 100 should have been the allowed speed. Maybe because they don't have the barriers on the outer side of the road on either side, so there is too much of in and out of traffic. That is the reason that they have not allowed anything more. See, you can see the camera post basically. So we have to, I mean, till now I have tried to act shrewd like all other vehicles on the road. When we approach it from little far, when I can see, bring it down. but God knows there are so many of them. There's always a possibility.
You never know where there's a hidden one.
No, this thing only. Hidden though is not there, I hope. This camera posts are so many that you might end up crossing one with a little higher speed. And it's not like you have Mamaji standing that you can convince and negotiate. It will directly come to your phone as a message, and then you cannot go back. When where you have time that much to go and dispute that challan and all those things. It's a good thing, but there should have been little bit more relaxation. See, now we are at 80 and you cannot sense that you are going at 80. If this is the speed, if we keep going, physics wise we will reach even better, but then thing is that it doesn't work out that way. So let's see, breakfast search is on. काफ़ी तलाश के बाद हमें एक ईटरी मिला, लिमिटेड मेन्यू बट अच्छा है खाना, नाइस टाइडी प्लेस, समथिंग बाय नेम प्राचीन. और अभी तो केवल इडली और पूरी है, बट दैट्स ओके, दैट्स इनफ. सो ब्रेकफास्ट की प्रेशर रिजॉल्व हो गई. नाइस प्लेस, नीचे एक जिम है जो आप जा नहीं सकते, बट फूड वाइज इट्स गुड. I'll show you the place, the other side. मेरी बिग डैडी भी रेस्ट कर रही है थोड़ी, and this is the place for breakfast. Nice tidy place it is. How was the breakfast? Nice and tidy. Suri, how was the breakfast? So बैटरी हो गई है चार्ज. बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि दो ही आइटम अवेलेबल था ब्रेकफास्ट को, बट वो दोनों आइटम ठीक है, खा सकता है इंसान. सब्जी और इडली. इडली तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, सॉफ्ट और फ्रेश, बट हो गया है 3-4 घंटे के लिए फ्री हो गए हैं. कोई अच्छा सा उसके बाद देखा जाएगा. इट विल बी वेरी अर्ली टू टॉक अबाउट लंच. अभी जस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट किया, बट हाँ नेक्स्ट होपफुली विल बी अ स्मॉलर सर्च एंड बेटर प्लेस. वापस हाईवे पे हैं. रोड अच्छी है, बट अभी सुबह का टाइम ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है. ये नेशनल हाईवे है, इट रन्स थ्रू सिटी है. I feel and hence too many vehicles, so not able to go cruising mode basically. That anyways we cannot go because of this 80 and 75 at place of speed limit. So let's see, इन सबसे जूझते हुए हम अपनी जर्नी को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे और रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, फिर आगे चल के आप लोगों से शेयर करेंगे. काउंट नंबर तो याद नहीं मुझे, बट एक और टोल गेट, और कोई टेंशन नहीं क्योंकि रोड इतनी.
आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट फर्स्ट टोल गेट.
हाँ वो भी बोलना है. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट फर्स्ट टोल गेट मैडम का ऑर्डर हुआ है, तो अभी तक So Big Daddy का Big Daddy brother जा रहा है आगे. So I can now sense how my vehicle will be looking from behind. Now we are in a place by name. So we are still in Bhubaneswar only, but we are in outskirts of Bhubaneswar basically, and I guess it should be another couple of hours in Odisha, then we should be ahead of that, and in Andhra. Currently it is just going like good disciplined driver mode, and as you can see the camera thing, so far that's the very reason the discipline is in place. I have not seen myself if I have got any notification already for jumping anything, because how many you will be mindful of, that's another thing. Road is good enough to call you for 100, 110 or something of that nature, but then you cannot go. Surprisingly, some places the limit has been made to 75. I mean, that's kind of strange and stupid also. 75 if you keep on a national highway of this nature, it's like funny, silly, stupid, all things. Yeah, that's the story around now. तुरापल्ली है जगह, यहाँ पे ये लोग कर रहे हैं पार्टी टोल बंद करके, क्योंकि सारी लेन बंद करके इन्होंने बस एक लेन खुला छोड़ा है।
Punjab is
very much still in Odisha, only Andhra is still far. It's a warmer day actually, for the winter morning, 10:15. It's pretty warm. अभी जस्ट हम गुजरे हैं ऋषिकुलिया नदी ऋषिकुलिया नदी के ऊपर से, और तक हम अभी उड़ीसा के सफर जारी है। एक अच्छी चीज़ उड़ीसा में एक अलग ही आर्किटेक्चर स्टाइल है, हर टेम्पल में आपको एक वो यूनिकनेस दिखेगा।
it reminds of
You can show that it's kind of hidden in trees, but अच्छा है वो, अलग एक डिफरेंट आर्किटेक्चर, बट it looks nice.
especially the temple tower or
What they call Gopuram.
Gopura, yeah.
That looks nice. It will be like a stacked.
Quite a lot of beaches.
We should have captured few temples, but then yeah, we couldn't. We have officially now entered Andhra, Odisha camp. And so that makes it Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha now makes it to fourth state of the road trip, the second day, second noon basically. And I'm hoping in Andhra they don't have that speed governance and all those things. Not that I want to go very fast, but still the check will be out of that mental tension. So Andhra, but then it's very warm, as I told in the earlier also, it's very warm for a November month. Roads are kind of not much traffic, but I'm already started getting lunch requests from my fellow passengers. It's still far away, just 11:30, around 1:30 to us later. Try to find a place. Otherwise, this day has to continue. Nice one temple they have done on top of it. Looks like Shiva and Parvati they have done on that top. So nice it looks. It's kind of temple, quite a few are there on top. Maybe some temple complex itself. Nice it looks. As part of my toll update, Andhra का पहला टोल कारापाडू टोल प्लाजा। बहुत खुल जा सिम खुल जानी चाहिए। नाराज Yet if we have to do this kind of drama, go and तो खुली नहीं, बहुत मिन्नतें करके उनको जबरदस्ती बनाया गया, देन समहाउ वो मानी। अभी ये जगह मुझे ऐसा जगह लग रहा है जहाँ पे हमने गाड़ी लास्ट टाइम रोकी थी और मैडम ने अपना ईयर एंड अप्रेजल किया था जब हम इधर से जा रहे थे। आई गेस दिस इज द प्लेस, दिस इज द वन आई बिलीव वी हैड स्टॉप्ड, or maybe some other. Is it? Do you remember? You remember appraisal, but do you remember the point?
Not actually.
This is not the one, I guess. It could be someone else, some other one. Sorry, some other one. That was one of the experience. 1 घंटे के appraisal के लिए मैडम ने गाड़ी रुकवा दिया और फिर हम नीचे इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि मैडम का 1 साल का करामात 1 घंटे में डिस्कस हो जाए, उसके बाद फिर हम चलेंगे। Look at that fish on top of that hotel, राजस्थानी ढाबा, बट उसके ऊपर फिश। It's ready, Suri. Do you want to check whether they have made it ready properly or not?
BP Hut Dhaba.
तो आंध्रा आ गए हैं, 12 बज गए। अभी जस्ट हमने बोला था भूख की, वैसे कोई बात नहीं, हमने अभी फुल रिफिल किया है गुआवा के साथ। लेट्स सी कहाँ तक ये फुल जाता है एंड फिर हम आगे कैप्चर करेंगे। द रीजन वाई आंध्रा इज कॉल्ड राइस बाउल ऑफ इंडिया, यू कैन सी द पैडी फील्ड्स अराउंड एंड देन all around basically, if you see it, and hence the rice and hence the biryani famous in India or Andhra. I don't know, can we comment the same thing? Maybe yes, but yeah, road is greeting us with this minimal traffic but very warm outside. The windshield, you can feel the heat actually. So going on 12:50 and Rajmundry is around 3 kilometers. We're thinking we can tweak our plan and target Vijayawada today, which will be another 150 kilometers from there. But that will decide once we finish lunch. And lunch, now we will start searching for a place if we can find one. So 12:51. Going by our experience, if we start finding now by 1:30, we should be able to find एक अच्छी खासी जगह जहाँ पे हम खा सके। हमें पिछली ट्रिप से एक पंजाबी ढाबे का याद है, बट पता नहीं हम वहाँ तक कितने बजे तक पहुँचेंगे और सबसे बड़ी बात हम उसे लोकेट कर पाएंगे नहीं। लेट्स सी, बट एक पंजाबी ढाबे की तलाश stop, compromise on Punjabi dhaba. So our luck ran out for a search of a good lunch place. The place which we were searching for, we could not find the old time, the Punjabi dhaba, and on this NH16 which bypasses Visakhapatnam city, there's nothing actually. and just nothing. So we had to take a day route on Google. We searched something, went inside some village kind of a dhaba was there. Came itself was village dhaba. Okay, 4 out of 10 kind of food, biryani or something, but not advisable kind of place. It's always better to finish your food much before Visakhapatnam if you are on this route, I believe, if the timing is such. So yeah, that done, and now off to Vijayawada basically. We have extended our target from Rajmundry to Vijayawada for the day, and a lot of construction work going on this NH16, and that makes it too many of diversion, and on top of it Google will suggest you a route which is out of the highway. So for some good 10 kilometers we were going parallel to the highway in the service road just because of this construction as per Google. But yeah, that's about it. When construction not there, then NH16 comes to its own form basically. So continuing now, my ETA is showing 9:40 for Vijayawada. We are going southwest, so it's like the road is completely straight. In front is one light which is like sun is setting, and either side of it is a paddy field, and behind paddy field is mountain range. So it's very nice to see actually. So after Visakhapatnam, traffic of heavy vehicles is way too much actually. The road is good, 4-lane road. It's nice, but then at the same time you have too much of traffic. More of 4-wheelers and lorries. Too many of them, so you cannot actually squeeze out. My ETA keeps increasing. It's now 9:45. I don't know till when it is. I guess till Rajmundry it will be like this. At least after that, it should get segregated. Hoping for it, but yeah, very heavy traffic. Let's see. Once we take that right after Rajmundry junction on that bridge, then we'll again share some update. Sunset is worth a sight too. I mean, it feels like you're directly going to the sun. It keeps moving to the road. Turning in on, but then there was a time when the road was completely straight and it was just like that going into the sun. So it's nice sight actually. छोटी सी चाय ब्रेक के बाद वापस on the way to Vijayawada. We have some 30 change kilometers yet away from Rajmundry.
The time is around, what's the time?
6:15.
6:15, yeah. We have another 198, 194, 194. 194 kilometers to 9:48 is the updated ETA. And look at that sun-Indian road. This highway is standing in sunroof. It's not to be seen actually because of the light from the vehicles on the opposite side. From the opposite side. Now towards Vijayawada, 160 kilometers and 6:50. 3 hours it is showing from here. I'm not sure why. Maybe because of traffic or something like that. We have taken a right turn from the junction of Cayman. I don't remember exactly. Rajmundry junction. It's Rajmundry city also initially. But yeah, on that highway to Vijayawada now basically that was such a crowded stretch it is. Highway. I remember last time we traveled through this was the cyclone time when it was full raining time. second last leg we can tell for the day. Once we cross another 100 kilometers possibly, you can see an update. I understand this will be completely straight forward. Traffic is there still, but four-way, so somehow okay, manageable. The bridge on Godavari River actually. We are in Vijayawada town. Another 13 kilometers to the hotel, 24 minutes. And kind of relieved now that we were able to come till here because Rajmundry to this one under 2.5 hours. I can take some relaxation for tomorrow. Maybe we can leave a little late. It has been good. Let's see how the hotel is. I'll cover an observation video of the hotel in the end of this today's video. How many kilometers for the day? Almost. And
So last night we reached around 10 o'clock, and this was the hotel on the highway itself, Sri Fortune Grand. I mean, we did have some issues navigating to this place, though it was on exactly the highway on the left side, but the map showed us right side, and we went inside some kind of slum area, some half an urban railway crossing, full hassles. But then eventually local people helped us, and then we were able to reach to this hotel. Nice hotel, nice. You will get kind of plush feeling. Food was super good, both taste and quantity wise. Definitely a thumbs up and a recommendable place. Sri Fortune Grand on NH16 itself. This is pretty much after Vijayawada, and out end of the Vijayawada I will call. So yeah, and that's how we closed day 2 yesterday night. Now today morning we will start around 8 after the breakfast, and we'll capture in today's video. Thank you. The location of the hotel is so close to the highway. You can see that NH16, and it's just opposite to a DMart. Fair place actually.